We'll do it live. F it.
So a shart is when you fart, but a little extra comes out.
That's right. Shit, fart, shart. I think we've all experienced that. If we're going to be honest, we've all experienced that at times. Yeah, and I think the sound of a shart is different from the sound of a fart.
Right. Definitely has a little more wetness to it.
Yes, yes, and that is, I think, why I like your videos the best. I've gone down the rabbit hole of fart videos on YouTube, but your sound, the sound that your what would you call it, device makes is the best.
Thank you.